Hey, I'm Chris,
And I'm Chris.
and we're here again, and we got a compilation video for you. We went to the gun range, did a lot of shooting, tried out some new stuff. Um, we're gonna do a compilation. We have 3 videos, so you want to catch all 3 of them if you can. First one is going to be divided into pistols, which is going to be the first one we're going to do. That's going to be a Glock 19X of a 92F Beretta, a Heritage Rough Rider 22 pistol, and a Smith & Wesson 38 Special. That's going to be the pistols that we're going to be doing for this video. So pay attention, like, subscribe, and let us know what you think of them.
Yeah.
Anything to add?
Yeah, one thing I want to add is, just I hope you enjoy it. But I've noticed on previous videos, some of y'all are rather rude, saying, does he need a lesson how to shoot and all that? You gotta understand, I've been out of the game for so long, so I can
constructive
handle,
criticism is always welcome for either of us.
Yeah.
You know, constructive criticism, we welcome that.
Just don't be rude about it.
Yeah,
that's all.
we just want to make it a very friendly, cordial way of communicating.
Yeah.
But yeah, we absolutely. If you have any hints, tricks, anything that might help any one of us, we welcome it.
Yeah, absolutely.
But
always room for improvement.
Yeah,
depends on how you bring it to the table, though.
Yeah, that's true.
So,
but anyway, without further ado, here's going to be the pistols, and tell us what you think of them. Tell us, what's your experience with them, and we're going to go over the pistols after this compilation. So, watch it to the end. Ready?
yep.
Those and that. Throat shot.
Yep. You ready?
Ready.
We're good.
Right. Not bad.
No, not at all.
Hey, welcome back.
Welcome back. We hope you enjoyed what you saw.
Yeah, let us know what you think of all three pistols. The Glock 19X, the Heritage Rough Rider 22 long rifle pistol, and the 92F Beretta, and the Smith & Wesson 38 Special.
Yeah.
So let us know, which one's your favorite, which one have you had like the best luck shooting, which one's more accurate do you think? Any recommendations on concealed carry, on just target practice, whatever. We want to hear your input.
Yeah, absolutely.
But thanks for watching. And anything to add?
Nope, you said it all. I agree with it.
All right, take it easy. You guys enjoy. Later.